ah, 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 chew,
chew.
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 Fellow step squatters, ever since one of us fell from the sky, we have been bold explorers, discovering lands, seeking out new friends, dealing with round things.
Ugh, round things.
Well, I say it's time to tackle the ultimate round thing. The moon. Let's solve the puzzle of how to put a step on the moon without using Q power, step power only. Why? Because it's fun to try.
Great. I'll be test pilot. But how will we get all the way? Sorry about that. All the way up there?
We call in some friends, some big step friends.
28 commencing rainbow test flight. All systems checking out. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Wish me luck. Whoa whoa, yowzer, he. Didn't get that high, but I did just invent the step rainbow. Guess you've got to give it a go to get lucky.
Ah, there you are. This way. I've got so much to show you. I am 36. And I can be a step squad. A mini chessboard. A super rectangle. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Or even a square. But today, I want to show you a little trick I call binary boosters. Using the power of doubles to send any number flying.